Meet the Mute Watch, a time management tool that keeps track of time so you don't have to. Here's how it works. Tap the touchscreen to activate the display. Swipe your finger to navigate between the functions clock, alarm, and timer. Set your alarm or timer simply by swiping vertically or tapping the top or bottom of each digit. When the alarm or timer goes off, your Mute Watch will vibrate. This way, it works as a silent reminder that lets you, and only you, know when it's time. The Mute Watch lets you focus on what you're doing right now by keeping track of when to sum up, move on, or get going. Choose short or long vibrations depending on what situation you're in. To erase an alarm or timer, just navigate to it and pinch the screen. So whether you're sleeping, on stage giving a presentation, or doing your workout, your Mute Watch will keep you updated on your next step.